Hey guys, I'm back here with another video. Today we are going to play Roblox, and yeah, let's get started.
Hey, yo. Whoa.
So look, I have a okay.
We're in the computer lab.
We're not okay.
Wait, you want to show me? Come on, show me. Come on, please.
Okay. So right now, today we are going to play Jailbreak. So
Jailbreak.
Jailbreak.
Oh, yeah, check my channel, please.
And we are gonna play with my friend Jefferson.
Jailbreak.
Okay.
I
So,
don't even know what the camera is.
Let's see.
Right now. You
So,
want to record too? Oh my god. Oh no. I'm gonna record.
what do you look like? You look like a guest, right? He looks like a guest, guys. He's a
Yeah,
guest.
I look like that one.
Yeah, I don't know if you are.
You're good.
Guacamole. Guacamole.
Hey. What the heck?
Okay, so let's see.
Wait, how do you make a video like that? How do you make a video like that?
I'll tell you later. So right now we're just not going to join my friend's server because I do not know.
Oh, let me get it.
Okay.
Where are you live streaming?
This video is gonna be. No, I'm not live streaming. But I might be.
Dude, it's 5:14. I'm gonna play some Roblox. I'm a cop.
So. What is going on? Okay, guys. By the way, my computer is like really laggy. So.
Your computer?
My computer is the laggiest computer.
Guacamole.
Okay, so we're gonna do that.
Enable your camera system. Yeah, what about it?
Okay, sorry you guys can't see the full screen, but just go with it. Alright, so are we gonna be a prisoner?
Prisoner?
Yep, I'm a prisoner. Oh, dude, I'm on your server.
Really?
Yeah, you're guys. His name is right there, Skyrim 2009. Dude, I'm gonna escape. You're not gonna let me. Okay, I'm gonna escape, and you're not gonna.
24 hours.
You can't arrest me.
To start yo, come on. No.
What?
I want to do a cup of you. Come on. I'm streaming. Fine, I'll let you come in the car. Okay?
Pick me up at the exploding site. If you know where that is.
How do you do that?
Do you even know where the exploding site is, Jefferson?
No,
Dude, just.
how do you record? I'm really close look.
That's not the thing that I did.
Where is it?
I'll show you at the end of the video. You'll see me outside the jail.
Right here?
No, outside the jail.
Is that you?
That's not the jail.
Oh, jail.
And my name tag is gonna be red.
Yeah, that one's red.
Okay, so right now we're gonna go and try to rob something. Okay. I know that's crazy. I'm gonna go rob. Whoa, that's laggy. That's laggy.
Well, what is this? Watch time. It's actually good, bro.
That's so laggy.
It's a good watch time, bro.
Why is this so laggy? I'm so sorry.
Videos and subscribe. That's good, though. Okay.
What? Okay, guys, we're gonna get in the car and go.
Dude, come where I am. Watch time. I'm gonna be parking next to the tree. Okay?
So
we're
gonna go rob the donut shop first and get some donuts.
Yo.
Also, since the thing came out, the new update came out. I want to show you something.
On Snapchat.
I want to show you something. And that is. Oh yeah, by the way, guys. Actually, never mind. Sorry. That was weird. AK-47, even though it sucks. And then look. Now they're aliens, so you could like shoot them.
It's not that bad.
See?
It's not that bad, bro. Copyright status.
My copyright status is good too.
Wait,
Okay, so let's get in the Mustang, not in that old
Mustang.
Camaro. Let's get in that good Mustang. And then boom, getting that nice. What? Dude, you can get ads. You can get ads. Dude, Diego, you can get ads. Oh my god, that's stupid. Okay, so I hope there's no cop here because if there is, I'm gonna kill him with my MK47.
I'm not gonna kill you, okay?
I'm not talking about you, but there must be a cop here. Okay,
I'm gonna go.
I got donuts.
I can probably put it on my desk.
I got a donut. Hooray. This dude's trying to get money from YouTube.
Hell yeah, bro.
Damn it, they don't have anything right now. Unfortunately.
Wait for me, okay?
Where are you? Okay, I'll come over there. Stay there. Where the Lamborghini is. I have the Lamborghini and the Ferrari and all of the other the cars.
I'll be next to it.
Yeah.
What the frick? Somebody just got in my car. Somebody just got in my car. You gotta be kidding me. What, they just give me stacks of money?
My thing is so laggy.
For like $1 bill every day.
Wait, really? You can do that now?
Yeah.
They give you money now. What? How? Oh, you still have to sign into stuff.
I know.
Oh, good. Because they're not gonna give you it. You're not gonna be able to.
Well,
I'm right here.
Well,
Wait,
where am I?
dude, I just passed you. I'm right here.
Is that you?
Get in the freaking car. Actually, guys, I'm gonna go around the bank. It's not open. Currently, it's not open, so I'm gonna get in my Lamborghini. I'm right here. I'm the guy in the Lamborghini. Guacamole, guacamole. No, you come in my Lambo. Okay. Let's go ahead and try and see if there's.
Wait, there's people. Where are you?
I'm gone forever.
Okay. Here comes the money.
I don't know what's going on. Oh my god, cop, there's a freaking cop.
What?
There's a cop.
Look. 4,000 views, watch hours, and then in the previous 12 months, and 1,000 subscribers.
So you get that.
No, I have to get 1,000.
Oh my god! Cop, guys, cop, there's a freaking cop. Go. Oh, fudge. Guys, that was scary. That was pretty scary.
What?
What?
I need 4,000 views or hours, watch hours, and 1,000 subs.
I don't speak what?
How am I supposed to reach that?
What?
How?
Doing?
Tell me.
By getting views. Me no speak Spanish. Okay.
No, I have to do 4,000 hours of watch time.
Good. Or 4,000 views, which is fine. 4,000. At least 4,000 views is better than watch time.
And look, 1,000 subs.
Dude, I almost have 1,000.
What do you mean?
No, I do not. I do not.
No, I want to add a watermark.
Nope.
Oh, guess I can't put any ads. Dang it! I thought I was going.
Okay, I'm gonna take him to the middle.
Live streams, enable live streams, longer videos.
Bye, have a great day.
Hell yeah!
What?
Dude, what could I can make longer videos in 15 minutes now.
I know, I already have that. Dude, you can get ads. Oh, guys, the bank is open. The bank is open. The bank is open, guys. I can go in without a key card.
Sponsored.
What?
I need 1,000 subscribers. Somebody's.
That's me. That's me.
That's you, right?
Yeah.
Everybody, 911.
Dude, you are 911.
Huh?
You are 911.
I know.
Where's the freaking dynamite? Yes, it exploded and I am exploded too. Let us go.
Okay,
Please don't get killed. I am lagging so much.
Oh, actually.
Holy gumminless. Ah. Okay, we're not lagging anymore. Thank God.
Actually, I can see my subscribers now.
Yes! Dude, you can, what? You can, James plays as, James.
No.
Fernando.
Oh.
Machine.
Who's Span Puppet?
Oh, dude, that's a popular YouTuber.
What do you mean? You
Just
have 0
joking.
subscribers.
I know.
And who's
But I think I know who Span Puppet is.
Namrata?
I don't even know. Hi, what doing? Hi, what doing? Guys, the video, wait, cops joined. Alejandro.
Most popular.
Dude, come to the bank.
Where's
Go to the right. To the left, sorry.
22 subs.
To the left.
22 subs.
You won't get there in time. I'm already escaping.
Mom, what am I gonna get you? How does this person have 73 subs?
I almost have that much. And Rishi's friend has like 200.
200, and what does he do?
He just does videos. That's it.
Are you still robbing? Or who's robbing of it?
I'm done. I got my 3,000. Sorry, 3,600. Because I'm a VIP. Dude, I'm a VIP. No one. Dude, where are you? Oh shoot! No, someone already got to the. That's bad.
Yes, bird subscribe.
What?
This is. I think this is Om. Yeah, this is Om's channel.
Who? Om? That's not Om's channel.
I just say Om's Spider Boy.
It's not Om, dude.
Oh.
Oh, that is Om. What? What? What the heck? Oh my god. What? Dude.
74 subs.
Get out of here, Alejandro.
You just sound up.
Let us. Dude, I'm gonna pickpocket you. Let me pickpocket you. Wait, dude, how did you do that?
Just like, bro.
Let me, dude, stop. No, not you. Yeah, just stop
I
moving.
miss this school. Who is that? No! Somebody just killed me!
Ha! Gotti!
You don't wanna kill me?
No, the other guy. I would never kill you.
Hey, I gotta get out of here.
I'm gonna go to the donuts. No,
No, come to the police officer
I'm so sorry.
station. I'll come.
No, I already have my Lamborghini. So I don't need no one to pick me up.
You need viewers.
Oh
What does
shit.
that mean?
Oh, sorry.
Oh
shit.
The revenue is $0.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna go and actually, I'm gonna go get my Ferrari.
Where you going?
Yeah, my Ferrari. I have a Ferrari in the game. A diamond, a really good-looking diamond Ferrari. I know. I just. Dude, look at my Ferrari. Come here, look at my Ferrari. Look at my freaking Ferrari. My Ferrari. Oh yeah, that's a nice diamond texture Ferrari.
So terrible.
What?
The graphics are so bad.
No, they don't. How did the
You don't even
graphics?
move the PC down.
I know. That's what I did.
You can't even see me. Or they can't even see me.
Yes, they can. I'm gonna go to the gas station and rob it. Okay, I'm gonna get my.
Rob a gas station?
Oh yeah, I'm about to right now. But I think that guy already did.
How do you push this on? You wanna trade the shares?
No.
I'll trade with you.
No, let's sit on. No, don't sit on it. I said don't sit on it.
He said sit on it. That's so slow as hell. Okay, listen. How do you put it down? Now they can see me a lot.
I just want my Samara so out of better when
Look, why don't you put it like this? Like I did to.
Okay guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. Thanks for watching and bye.